will learn about learning HTML. Billions of internet users worldwide visit millions of websites every moment, every day. These websites present information to the users in an attractive manner. These websites consist of multiple web pages with text, pictures, videos, and animations. Did a question ever cross your mind? Which language is used to build these magnificent websites? We have learnt about different programming languages in the previous chapter. In this chapter, we will be learning about one of the most popular and widely used markup languages used to create websites. Markup languages use tags, and tags are easy to learn and remember. There are many markup languages in use, but HTML and XML are the most popular markup languages. Introduction to HTML. HTML is one of the most popular and widely used languages for creating web pages. HTML is used to create web pages that can have different content, text, pictures, sound, and videos in it. HTML contains a number of tags that are easy to learn and work with. HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML 2.0 was the first standard HTML version released in 1995. After this, HTML 4.01 was a major version of HTML released in 1999. Though HTML 4.01 version is still in use widely, HTML5 version, which is an extension to HTML 4.01, is now the current choice of web developers since 2012. Features of HTML. HTML tags are simple and easy to learn and remember. HTML has different tags that can be used to add and modify different components of the web page. Tags in HTML can be used to enhance your web browsing experience. Web pages developed with HTML can be used to render text, videos, pictures, and sound. HTML is a portable language, which means pages developed with HTML can be used with different operating systems like Mac, Windows, and Linux. Terms used in HTML. Markup language. A markup language is different from any other programming language, as this language is only used for formatting text-based document wherein you can also embed videos and sound. Hypertext. A simple-looking text is converted into dynamic text using tags called hypertext. Hypertext is a special-purpose text used for navigation from one page to another web page. Tags. Tags are keywords of HTML. Each tag in HTML performs a specific task, like some tags are used for formatting text, some are used for adding image and videos, while the others are used for navigation. Web page. A web page is a formatted document that is translated and rendered by the web browser of your computer system. Okay students, let's talk about tags in HTML. Just like every human language has its own set of vocabulary, similarly, every computer language has its own set of keywords. These keywords are language-specific. This means that these keywords can be used only with a particular programming language. In HTML, tags are used as keywords. Every tag is used to perform a specific action. A browsing software understands these. Each tag has properties assigned to it, and these properties are called attributes. Attributes are used to change the properties of a tag. The following table shows some widely used HTML tags and their corresponding attributes. In HTML, there are two types of tags. Container tags. In HTML, the basic rule of writing tags is that each tag should have an open tag followed by a closing tag. A tag that has both an open and closed tag is called a container tag. For example, HTML on tag, HTML off tag. Note that in the above given code, HTML is the open tag and HTML its closing tag. Empty tag, a tag that has open tag only and has no closing tag, is called an empty tag. For example, BR. Note that in the above given code, BR tag is an open tag and there is no closing tag. Okay, now let us learn about creating a web page in HTML. The requirements for creating a web page with HTML are simple and are readily available. To create a HTML page, all you need is a text editing app and a web browser. Most of the operating systems are preloaded with a text editing app and a web browsing app. For example, the Windows 10 operating system has Notepad text editing app and Edge as its default browsing app. In this chapter, you will be using the default app to write HTML programs and to display the output using Microsoft Edge browser. Popular apps for HTML code editing. To write the HTML code, you can also use any other application of your choice. Some other popular text editing applications are listed below. Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, Coffee Cup, the HTML editor, TextMate. Starting Coffee Cup app. To open Coffee Cup application, follow the given steps. Click on button, scroll down and click on the Notepad app icon. Or, in the type Coffee Cup. The Coffee Cup app window will appear as shown below. Components of Coffee Cup code editor. The Coffee Cup editor window provides many options on the welcome screen. You can select the options to create a new blank page or open existing files. You can arrange all the web pages and images related to your website by selecting the new website project option. You can also select a theme for your website. Select the appropriate options to work with. Step 1. Click on the new blank page option. This will display the Quick Start dialog box. Step 2. Add a page title in the page title text box. Step 3. Select the options given in the page style panel to set color for the page background, text, links or simply add a background image. Step 4. Click on the OK button to start working with the code editor window. The code editor window is shown below. Step 5. Press Ctrl plus a key and then press the delete key to remove the code. Once this code is removed, you can start typing your own code in the code editor window. Writing our first HTML code. Let's walk through the code. Line 1. The code starts with the HTML tag. The HTML document begins with a HTML tag. All other tags are used after this tag. It acts as a container tag for all other tags used in the code. Line 2. The title tag is used to display the name of the web page on the title bar of the web browsing app. Line 3. The head tag contains metadata and instructions for the browser that is not directly visible on the web page. Line 4. The body tag is used to display the web browser's user content. Whatever content the user wants to display in the web browser windows is enclosed within the body and body tag. Line 5. This statement will be displayed in the browser window. Line 6. 7, 8, all the tags like HTML, body, and head are closed in a chronological order. Viewing an HTML page in the browser. To view the output of your web page in the browser, follow the given steps. Line 1, click on the Tools menu and select Test with default browser option. Let's us understand the text formatting tags in HTML. After creating a basic web page in HTML, we will now need to adorn it so as to make it attractive to readers. In order to do this, we will again use more HTML tags. There are various different tags that can be used to enhance the appearance of the text in an HTML document. Let's now learn and discuss the formatting and use them on our web page. Font tag. The font tag in HTML is used to change the style of the text. Font tag is a container tag and has different attributes attached to it. These attributes, along with the font tag, can be used to add additional features to the text. Syntax. Font attribute is equal to value. Attribute of font tag. Face. The face attribute is used to change the font style of the text. Syntax. Font face is equal to style text font. Observe the output of the above given code and check the difference in the font style. Size. The second important property of the font tag is the size attribute. This attribute is used to change the size of the text. Font color. Color. This attribute is used to change the color of the text on the web page. Other formatting tags in HTML are b, I, u. Let's now use all these tags in your code and check the output. Let's walk through the code. Line 6, the B tag is used to make the text bold. Line 7, the I tag is used to make the text italic. Line 8, the U tag is used to underline text. Important note: the BR tag is used to break a line and start a new line. Heading tag in HTML. Heading tags define 6 levels of heading in the HTML document. The heading level is from H1 to H6. Let us understand how to inserting images to a web page. There was a time when browsers used to support text only. There was no way of using images in web pages. But today, adding images and viewing them is a manageable task. We can easily add and view images in any browser. The img tag in HTML is used for adding images to the web page. The src attribute is used along with the img tag. The src tag is the source tag that defines the path and name of the image that is to be added to the web page. Other attributes of img tag. Height. The height attribute is used to define the height of an image in the web page. The value of the image height can be defined in percentage or in pixels. Width. The height attribute is used to define the width of an image in the web page. The value of the image width can be defined in percentage or in pixels. src. The src attribute is used to add the image to the web page. This can be done by specifying the image path. Alt. The alt attribute in HTML is used to print the alternate text whenever the user moves the mouse over the image. The alternate text is displayed whenever the image fails to load because of a lack of system resources or because of any error in the network. Let's walk through the code. Line 6. The source of the image has changed. If you run the code, the image will not be displayed. The alt tag will display the message image not available. Border. The border attribute in HTML is used for adding a border to the image. The border is used to enhance the appearance of the image. The border tag has an attribute called width used to increase the border width of an image. Let us quickly have a look on chapter review. Tags in HTML are used to perform a specific action. Each tag has properties assigned to these properties are called attributes. Attributes are used to change the properties of a tag. In HTML, the basic rule of writing tags is that each tag should have an open tag. A tag that has both an open and close tag is called a container tag. A tag that has open tag only and has no closing tag is called an empty tag. HTML is a portable language, which means pages developed with HTML can be used in with different operating systems like Mac, Windows, and Linux. Hypertext is a simple-looking text which is converted into dynamic text using tags.